Hello everyone, I present my new course, the Drawing Robot. In this course, we will learn to create a fully procedural drawing robot using Sidefx Houdini. This robot can draw anything that you input, whether it is a handmade sketch or a vector illustration. We will learn to build a 100% procedural drawing system. We will also learn some amazing techniques to achieve this, including creating all the logics using Houdini's Vex and using cops to help us shade the robot. We will automate almost everything about the system, right from fitting the artwork into the artboard to the final rendering. If you are interested in learning something fun using Houdini, or you just want to increase your Houdini skill, please consider purchasing this course.